am in the place that makes my heart so happy. I'm back in Florida, y'all. We are in Siesta Key for 9 days, and I thought it would be really fun to basically show you guys what it's like to travel with curly hair, especially to a hot, humid area, and show you what my hair looks like throughout this vacation. We just got here last night, and it is very hot today, like 95 degrees, and it's humid in Florida. So this is what my hair is kind of starting like. I did do a good wash and style routine right before I left Virginia, and that way my curls feel like they last a little bit longer when I travel, when I do a good wash day. But when you're fighting humidity, listen, sometimes there's really nothing you can do. So my hair is already definitely frizzy, but we also traveled 14 hours in a car with 5 people yesterday. So we were a little sweaty and hot and all of that. All things considered, it doesn't look terrible right now. I'll be going to the beach and to the pool and to dinners and different things like that. So we're gonna see literally what it's really like to travel with curly hair. The first order of business was going to the pool, and this is what my hair looked like. All right, so I spent most of my day at the pool, so my hair was up in a messy bun, but because my wash day is still pretty fresh, I went ahead and just did a little refresh. I added a little water, a little bit of, let me show you, a little bit of my Less All-in-One Styler mixed with a little bit of water and diffused. And this is what we have for day 1 or night 1 of our vacation. Curls are still popping. I am interrupting your regularly scheduled program to bring you today's partner. It is my favorite time of the month, and that is when I talk about Dossier, my favorite perfume company. This is a luxury inspired perfume brand. You guys know my love, my infatuation, my just obsession with this brand. At Dossier, you can find your all-time favorite high-end fragrances for a fraction of the cost. These are the most longest lasting fragrances I have ever used. I have 2 new fragrances from Dossier. They have actually released a lot of new fragrances, which makes me so excited. We have Ambery Vanilla. Comes with this little insert right here that talks all about your perfume. I do have a discount code for you, even though these fragrances are already very affordable. They have men's fragrances, they have women's fragrances, they have genderless fragrances. I do have a 10% off discount code that you can use for an even greater discount than what they already give you. So again, Ambery Vanilla. This has notes of mandarin pear, pink pepper, licorice. It's inspired by one of my all-time favorite perfumes. I actually have YSL Opium perfume. Literally have like maybe 1 or 2 little spritzes left in my bottle. Of course, I want to see how it compares to the original YSL Opium perfumes. Let's just give it a little spray and let that kind of sit for just a second. These are quality fragrances. Let's go ahead and do a little sniff test. You guys, that is YSL Opium. Like, you would never be able to tell the difference. This is called Citrus Green Apple. Inspiration behind this one is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue for Women. Gonna spray that. And of course, you know, with all fragrances, it smells different on everyone. This is something that makes me want to like go to the gym. It makes me want to go run errands. Like, this is not what I would consider like a warm, sexy date night fragrance. This is something that I would spray on in the morning so that I can get my stuff done. You know the drill. You know how much I love it. Make sure to check the description box if you have not already tried a fragrance from them. You gotta do it, man. You gotta do it. And now we can get back to our regularly scheduled program. Okay, it is day 2, and this is what I'm doing with my hair this morning. We're about to head to breakfast. I don't want my hair in my face. It looks a little bit of a mess, but I literally just pulled half of it all up, and it's in a quick little pony.
We gotta go eat.
It's out of my face, so we're gonna go eat. After breakfast, we did head to the beach, so my hair went back up in a messy bun. I did refresh it for dinner that evening, and the curls looked fantastic. We are at the pool again today, so this is what my hair's looking like. Another messy bun. But I will say, last night I did refresh my hair and had it down and curly, and it was very nice. But it's back up in this messy bun. And it's got sand in it from yesterday at the beach. So probably due for a wash, but not gonna wash it yet. We're probably gonna do like a braid or something, like a bun or something like that for tonight. Maybe tomorrow too. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, it is another day on vacation, and this morning I woke up and went and had a really good workout. So it was a ball cap for me. My ball cap says bad hair day because yeah, it was a bad hair day. So this is what we had going on. I am going to jump in the shower now because I have a nail appointment, and I think I might put my hair in braids. I don't know, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet. Also have fever blisters thanks to the sun. So that's where the hair is at right now in this vacation week. At this point, I still had not washed my hair, so I went ahead and slicked it back into a little bun. So this morning, I had a nice little workout, and I just put my hair in these braids since I had it all slicked back, and now taking a little walk on the beach, so I'm keeping my hair exactly the same for now. And because I couldn't be bothered the rest of day 5, my hair stayed in braids. Okay, back again. I am wore out because I just got finished with my morning workout. Yesterday, hair stayed in braids all day long. I did like redo the braids once I showered and got myself done up a little bit. But it was basically the same exact style. I wore I wore a different ball cap with braids all day. This morning I woke up, I still haven't washed my hair, y'all, this entire time. It is way overdue. I can smell my hair now. That's when I know she's past due. I just decided to put it in like 2 little messy buns with my hat for my morning workout. It looked cute when I left, but because of all the sweat on my neck, they are basically balls of frizz now. So that's that. I'm about to get ready to go to the beach. So I think I'm going to put it up in like a high bun. My problem is I feel like I end up with a headache every time I have my hair up these days. Like even when I do it kind of loose, I still end up with a headache. Does that happen with age? Asking for a friend. And yeah, that's the hair so far. And tonight I am gonna wash it, I promise. And I broke that promise because my hair went back in braids again. Okay, excuse the noise. I am back on my balcony. I did not check back in yesterday because my kids and my husband were rushing me, so I did not get to wash my hair again. Like literally again. Disgusting. So I kept it in braids again last night. My hair is so overdue for a wash, but today we went to the beach, so it really didn't matter. If I would have washed it last night, I wouldn't have been able to get in the water today and just like have fun. And it was really, really hot today. So I'm actually glad that I hadn't washed my hair yet. So my hair is full of salt water right now. It is so disgusting. I am going to wash it tonight because me and my husband have reservations for a very nice dinner. So I'm really excited for that. So we got to get the curls back in order. I brought my Lust products, so I'm going to use that shampoo and conditioner. I didn't bring a deep conditioner. Shame on me, because right now my hair is screaming for a deep conditioner, but we're just gonna roll with it, and hopefully my hair, oh gosh, it feels so gross, so gross. Maybe I'll leave the conditioner on a little bit longer and that will maybe do a little something. I don't know. It definitely needs some extra TLC when I get home. We have one more full day here. It's Friday. We have all day Saturday, and then we have a 14-hour drive home on Sunday. So just soaking up every moment of this trip, and really trying not to stress about my hair, which is why last night I was like, whatever, I don't care. I don't need to wash my hair. I'm gonna try to get it looking cute for dinner. Okay, hair is done. It is so windy. I don't know how long the curls are gonna last, but they look great right now. Whoa, after a week of not washing, my hair was full of chlorine, salt, all kinds of things. It felt so good to have a nice fresh wash. This was our last full day of vacation, and this was the last day that I vlogged. My hair stayed in a messy bun the whole day because I literally just wanted to soak up every single moment. We went to the beach, we went to the pool, we just enjoyed being together, and we had the best time, and I did not stress about my hair on this vacation.